What's up guys, it's your boy SliZer. So today I'm going to be showing you some great alternatives for Photoshop. So if you're a complete beginner or you just like to fool around and learn Photoshop, or for whatever reason if you don't want to buy Photoshop, I have some great apps. And these are actually websites that will help you master photo editing. But remember, these websites don't contain all the features in Photoshop, but they do contain quite a few. Today I will be talking about two of the main online websites that you can edit your photos with. So let's get started. Okay, so first up we've got Pixlr. I think this is the most popular website for photo editing, and as you can see, this is the layout of the website when you first log in, and I will make sure to put the links in the description if you want to see them. And as you can see, this is login, and there is a premium in this which gives some good features. And this is a photo editor and animation design website, as you might know right now, and it says it's the number one photo editing website and design tools. And I use this website quite often. I actually use this for my logos and everything also. So you got Pixlr X, which is the quick and easy design, and Pixlr E, which is advanced photo editor. That is the one I use all the time. It has really good features, and it's really helpful, and it's also easier than Photoshop. It's not complicated. And there's a new version called Photo Mesh Studio. I haven't tried this yet, but I'll make sure to make a video on this. So let's get into the Pixlr E, and I'll show you how to edit. So I'll load up an image like this, as you can see. So you can choose fonts, and you can rotate the font, change the font. Like if you go to T, which is text, you can change the fonts, and there are pretty good fonts in this. Some you have to buy from premium, but most of it is free, and you can choose the colors. I think I'm going pretty fast with this, so I'll just make it a little bit slow for you guys to understand. So you got fonts, then you got the normal paint tool, and I actually have to choose this and see. You got paint, and you obviously got the eraser tool, and then you got clone. You can clone this, see, and it just clones the entire image over here. As you can see, just clones the entire image. And then you got a really useful tool. It's called the one select. It just selects whatever you like if you want to change anything, like if you want to adjust something and things like that, you can do with this. And then we got blur. You can just blur these. You go ahead and Control D, deselect. Then I'll show. You can blur images and sharpen images. This doesn't work really well. It does work, but I don't think you guys can see it. So then you got the fill. You can just fill everything like this, and you got the pen, which can do some pretty good and weird stuff. And then you got liquify, which is you can make things big or small like this. If I wanted to make this a bit smaller, I can do it now. If I wanted to change the animation to something like this, I can do it with the liquifying. And you got the sponge color like this. It just sharpens the colors really well. See, sharpens the colors really well, and it just typically it just gives a higher saturation for the temperature in local areas to reduce colors, so it's a quite helpful tool. And my favorite and most used one is the mask tool. You see this and just take things off. I can just use magic mask like this, or just lasso mask like this, that mask. And even you can just use gradient mask like this if you want to like just keep one and like just show it like it's fading out and all. And you guys can understand now that this is a really great tool if you want to start and if you're a complete beginner for photo editing. And I will end this website now, and let's go to the next website. Next we got Photofia. So this is a new website for me, but I tried this several times and I quite like it, so I brought it for you guys. So you can just open from a computer or start a new project. I'm just going to open the previous image that I did, and as you can see, this website has a pretty equal layout like it has a pretty equal layout like Photoshop. Yeah, it just looks like Photoshop in sometimes, unlike Pixlr. The Pixlr has a very simple and like round design, while this has a really sharp and Photoshop looking design. So as you can see, you got the paint, you got select, you got text, and everything in Photoshop is in this too. So this thing has some other ones too, like other features that you can use. Like see, this tab is a bit bigger, like you can just change the brush and all like this. And I don't have to explain a lot in this app, obviously, because like it's really similar to the other app and even similar to Photoshop. And I would be bringing you some tutorials later about these apps, but for now I'll end this video. Bye.